Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to do basic editing in Filmora Mobile. It's really simple, so let's get started. First, open Filmora Mobile and start a new project. You can either pick videos and photos from your phone's gallery or use the stock media that Filmora provides. There are solid colors, motion backgrounds, and even some free video clips. I'll select a few and add them to the timeline. Now let's trim the clips. If there's any part you don't need, just select the video, tap the split button, and it will be cut into two parts. Then delete the part you don't want. If you make a mistake, you can always tap the undo button. Next, let's add a transition between clips. Just tap on the space between two clips and you'll see different transition options. Select the one you like, adjust the duration if needed, and apply it. Now, let's add some text. Tap on the text option, type in whatever you want, and customize it by changing the font, size, and color. You can also move it around by dragging it on the screen. If you want to change the speed of your video, tap on the clip, go to speed, and adjust it. You can make it faster or slower depending on what you need. There are also some preset speed effects that you can try. To make your video look better, you can add effects. Just go to the effects section and choose one. For example, if you want a blur effect, just apply it and adjust how long it stays on the screen. Now let's add music. Tap on the audio option and you'll find a bunch of free songs. You can also import your own music if you want. Just select a track, add it to the timeline, and adjust its position. If needed, use the fade in and fade out options for a smooth sound transition. Once everything is done, it's time to export. Choose the resolution, 1080p for better quality. Set the frame rate and hit export. Your video is now ready, and that's it. Simple, right? If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.